Ingredients. For the dough, 2¼ teaspoons, 1 packet, active dry yeast, 1 cup warm water, 110 degrees Fahrenheit or 45 degrees Celsius, 2½ cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoon olive oil for the pizza, 1/2 cup pizza sauce, store-bought or homemade, 1½ 2 cups shredded mozzarella cheese, 2 tablespoon grated Parmesan cheese, optional, fresh basil leaves or oregano for garnish, optional. Instructions. 1. Prepare the dough. 1. Activate the yeast. In a small bowl, dissolve the yeast and sugar in warm water. Let it sit for 5–10 minutes until frothy. 2. Mix the dough. In a large mixing bowl, combine the flour, salt, olive oil, and yeast mixture. Mix until the dough starts coming together. 3. Knead. Transfer the dough onto a floured surface and knead for 8–10 minutes until smooth and elastic. 4. Let it rise. Place the dough in a greased bowl, cover it with a damp cloth, and let it rise for 1–2 hours in a warm place until it doubles in size. 2. Assemble the pizza. 1. Preheat the oven. Set your oven to 475 degrees Fahrenheit, 245 degrees Celsius, and place a pizza stone or baking sheet inside to preheat. 2. Roll out the dough. Punch down the risen dough and roll it out into a 12-inch circle. Place it on parchment paper for easy handling. 3. Add toppings. Spread a thin, even layer of pizza sauce on the dough. Sprinkle mozzarella cheese evenly over the top. Add Parmesan if desired. 3. Bake the pizza. 1. Bake. Transfer the pizza, with parchment paper, onto the preheated stone or baking sheet. Bake for 10–12 minutes or until the crust is golden and the cheese is bubbling. 2. Cool and garnish. Remove the pizza from the oven, let it cool slightly, and garnish with fresh basil or oregano if desired. 4. Serve. Slice and enjoy your delicious homemade cheese pizza.